Joplin versus Obsidian versus Notion. Let's start with Joplin. Joplin is a free open source note-taking app focused on privacy where it supports Markdown end-to-end encryptions, while Obsidian is a local first Markdown knowledge base built around linking thoughts. It's ideal for personal knowledge management, second style, notes, and backlinking. And lastly is Notion. It's an all-in-one workspace combining notes, databases, task management, and wikis. It's great for teams, projects, and visual organization. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So let's start with Joplin. First, it offers a 100% free and open source platform. It works offline with full two end-to-end encryptions. It's also ideal for privacy-focused users, and it has a good markdown support. Now for Obsidian, it is a fast and local first. It has excellent backlinking, graph view, and PKM tools. It also has a huge plugin community for customization, and it has full control over data which is stored locally. And then for Notion, it has beautiful interface and blocks everything and has also a powerful database, calendar, and Kanban views. They also have real-time collaboration built in and a web and app-based access. Now, choose Joplin if you want privacy, simplicity, and full control offline. And choose Obsidian if you're building a personal knowledge system, love linking ideas, and want ultimate customization with local storage. And then choose Notion if you're managing projects, collaborating with teams, or want a visual and flexible all-in-one workspace.